Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to upload guys how to fix file transfer guys PC to mobile. Friends, you have any problem in your PC guys and guys you want to file transfer guys your PC to your phone. So how to file transfer PC to phone. Today friends, I will show you how to fix this problem. So first of all guys, use your guys phone data cable guys. Which phone guys you have guys? I have guys AC type. I will first charger here and guys second guy we will put into PC guys. So friends, in your phone guys you can see this notification guys, on it and guys click on this file transfer guys, tap here and friends your developer option is off, so guys you cannot on guys your phone developer option. So guys I am already developer but guys you are not, so guys go in your phone setting and guys you can see guys your phone build number guys, 7 times guys tap here, then guys your developer option will on, then guys you can see this phone notification USB file notification guys, on it and guys tap on file transfer. So guys this file transfer we will mobile to PC guys, we will transfer file guys. So guys now come on to your PC, export. So guys we will on first of all file and guys this file guys, this PC guys I have these photos. Oh, where is my photos? Music, pictures. Yes guys, this save folder photos guys I have here. Oh sorry, I don't have, I think guys I have deleted, I think guys. So don't worry guys, I have got this videos. So guys I will select this one videos from here. Where is my video? So friends, you can see guys picture guys I have saved and guys I will select guys these two images and guys I will click guys, I will tap guys control C me control X guys, I will cut these images. So control X guys and guys you want copy, so you can copy. So I will control X and friends left side guys you can check guys your phone name. So guys Y73 my phone device name, I will tap here and guys this I will paste guys here outside, control V. So with these two photos guys you can see that this screenshot has come into my phone guys, and guys you can check guys these two photos in your phone as well as guys you can check guys images. So like that guys you can fix guys your file transfer PC to mobile like that. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.